Benjamin here with Motivational Marketer, and in today's video I'm going to be talking about the secrets to making more money online. But before I get into it, I just want to say, if you guys are new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification. Okay, so getting right into this video, I'm going to be going over 3 secrets to make more money online. So this is going to be for those of you who are online entrepreneurs who are looking to increase your business sales and get more traffic to your offers. So the first secret when it comes to making money online is creating content. Now, why is it important to create content? Because you need something that's going to grab your target audience's attention. Whether you're creating an ebook, an online course, YouTube videos, writing blog posts, whatever the case may be, you need something that's going to grab your target audience's attention. And when you do this, after a while you start to build trust with your target audience. If you're creating content and you're delivering value, they're going to start to trust you, and you increase your chances of making a sale. When you create content that's delivering value, you start to build trust with your target audience, and they see you as somewhat of an authority figure. And when you're always creating content, you always want to give a call to action. Whether you're writing emails, videos, blog posts, online courses, always give a call to action. Because if you don't give a call to action, you're missing out on an opportunity to possibly make a sale. So when you create content, always give value, which leads me into my next secret when it comes to making money online, which is delivering value. So when it comes to creating content, you always want to deliver value in anything that you're producing. Emails, videos, blog posts, courses, whatever the case may be. Because if you don't deliver value, your target audience is going to lose interest, and they're going to click away, they're going to go somewhere else. They're going to look somewhere else for the solution to their problem. If you're not addressing their problem, they're going to go somewhere else. Just simple as that. And if you can demonstrate how your product or service is going to help them, then demonstrate it. Show them firsthand how your product or service is going to improve their quality of life when it comes to your niche that you're promoting. You have to solve the problem that they're having. Even if it's talking about your personal story, how your product or service has helped you out in your personal life. Share that with them, and that even builds more trust with them. That shows them that you're a genuine person who has faults just like every other human being, and who can overcome a certain struggle that they're facing. So that's the second secret when it comes to making money online. Now, what's the third secret? Well, it's a pretty common sense one, but most beginning online marketers forget to do this one, which is consistency. So why do you need to be consistent? Well, there's a couple reasons why. When you're consistently creating content that's delivering value, you start to improve at your skills. Whether you're writing blog posts, creating ebooks, online courses, uploading videos, whatever the case may be, you start to improve your skills. And it becomes like second nature the more you do it. And when you're consistent, you increase your chances of making a sale. Because people are not usually prone to buy a product or service the first time they're exposed to it. If you're consistently putting it out there and pushing that product, people are going to see it over and over and over again. And then they're finally going to say, okay, I'll give this a try. I'll see what this is about. I'll see what this guy has to offer. So when you do that, when you're consistent, you increase your chances of making a sale. And also, when you learn to master your skills through consistency, people start to look at you as somewhat of a mentor. and that goes along with building trust. They start to trust you, and they start to look up to you as a sort of mentor, and they start looking for your advice when it comes to a certain area that you're promoting, a certain niche that you're promoting. So for an example, at the time of filming this video, I only have a handful of subscribers. Only a handful of subscribers, which means only a handful of people are going to see this video. But later on down the line, I'm going to probably have to recreate this video, because later on down the line, I know that I'm going to have more subscribers, which is only going to be achieved through consistently putting out content that's giving value. So to give you guys a quick example of putting these methods together, I could just simply say, at the time of this video, I'm creating content that's delivering value consistently. And I'm going to give you guys a simple example of giving a call to action, such as, I hope you guys got value out of this video. And like I said, if you guys are new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification. And if you guys are looking for my personal recommendation when it comes to making money online, I'm going to leave a link in the description below, and you guys can check that out. And if you guys are interested in learning more about affiliate marketing and learning how to get started, I'm going to leave a free ebook download called Affiliate Marketing Ideas, which is pretty self-explanatory. But what this ebook does is it helps you decide what niche you want to promote and which platforms you can promote it on. So let me know in the comments what you guys think about these methods. Have you guys used any of these? Have they helped you out in your business? Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. So something simple as that you can give as a call to action. So with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one.